A pleasant day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Annalyn Sardoma, 31 years old, single. I have one brother and two sisters, and I am the youngest in the family. I work in the Philippines as housemaid for 2 years. I took care of 2 children of my boss. The boy was 2 years old and the girl was 6 years old when I started the work. 6 years old is in primary 1 and 2 years old is not go to school yet. So I make his milk, bathing, help to sleep, make child food, and we played together. For the 6 years old that she's already in primary 1, so she stays in school the whole day. In the morning, I help her to take a bath, take a breakfast, and wear her uniform. I carry her bag, hold her hand, and we walk together to the school. Aside from taking care of 2 children, I do cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing their clothes, and going to market. I want to work in Hong Kong as domestic helper because I want to earn more money. I do not have my kids yet. I do not have my own family yet, but I want to save something for the future and I want to help my siblings as well. I hope you like me, ma'am and sir. I am hardworking and willing to follow your instructions. Thank you and see you soon.